Over the last couple of months, the Water and Sewage Company Wasco has come under heavy scrutiny due to major disruptions in water supply to residents island-wide. Water sector officials hope to improve their relations with the public through a number of initiatives. One such initiative took the form of a media seminar on Thursday aimed at boosting customer engagement beyond satisfaction to build trust. Wasco's Chief Operations Officer, Ali Anthony, explained that distributing water is a complex process.
We understand that and we count on the media, right? We count on the media to be able to put out that message because it's not just a simple thing. Rainfall, Wasco collects and Wasco should distribute. It's not as simple as that. There are a lot of infrastructural challenges, a lot of processes that has to be put into place to ensure that the public receives a supply. A reliable supply is what we strive for. We do not take pleasure in not supplying water. We take no pleasure in this. It's just certain limitations that we just have to contend with because we have no other choice.
What was the response from the media today?
It was quite good. I saw a lot of media houses, there were some good questions, and I'm hoping that something like this could be done in the near future.
Service engineer and wastewater management specialist Lester Arnold has been working with Wasco on a communications strategy project. This project seeks to educate individuals on water conservation and the challenges experienced in providing water in the face of climate change. Arnold says individuals must learn to live and adapt to climate change while mitigating its effects.
The climate is evolving every day, but yes, it's true, climate change is observed over a 30-year period or whatever the case may be. And going forward, with all what is going on in the industrial world, the effects on the climate, we have to contend with all of these challenges going forward, where you'll have extended dry periods, flash flooding through high-intensity rainfalls and things of that sort. So knowing all of this, we must find ways in which to mitigate or to combat against these type of phenomena that are occurring and to see how best to live with it.
Arnold stressed the media's role in disseminating proper information on safe water collection and conservation.
We keep hearing about rainwater harvesting for the last decade or more. Yes, it's true, all of us practice some level of rainwater harvesting where we collect water straight from our guttering. But then we also have to incorporate the biological side of things, because just collecting rainwater straight from a guttering is not the safest of ways, because there's bacteria and things of that sort in the water, and we need to find a way in which to clean it. And there are systems or devices that have been designed that can be installed on a household system, a household roof structure that can actually take away all of that dirty water, and you get the cleaner water going into a storage tank. But once it goes into the storage tank, it needs to be disinfected. And that's why we're saying that with just the use of ordinary household bleach, you can keep your water safe for an extended period of time until you're ready to use it. So these are critical going forward.
The seminar also sought to educate consumers on challenges experienced in water distribution.
We also wanted to elaborate and explain how and the things that Wasco has to do to ensure that customers do get a reliable supply, albeit not fully like every day, but at least to be able to at least cater to basic needs.
Water sector officials also discussed shifting rainfall patterns, increased drought conditions, and their effects on water supply and infrastructure. Moreover, Wasco and stakeholders explored actionable solutions to address myriad challenges and steps to ensure long-term water security. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.